So
welcome back to South Omaha Speed.
Yeah. Welcome back to South Omaha Speed. So we're like day 2 of trying to put the front end on, and things are going well. We even got the old man's over. He's back there doing his. So he's got the wash fly on this one, so we know we can't screw this up. The front valance is going on.
I want to watch you do it.
Oh, sorry.
Hold on, redo it. I want to watch. What it sees.
We're going, yeah. So there's the front valance is going on. We don't have the right hardware. I seem to have lost the package from CJ Pony Parts for all the correct hardware and the clips, so we're just putting 1/4-inch bolts, washers, and nylock nuts on this. But we got the Shelby style front scoop here that uses the bumper, so we have the wrong bracket. So we got those ordered today. They should be here Monday. This is the bottom of the hood latch bracket, and we just we whacked it off because it came down in here and we would have had to cut that, so we just cut it off right down here, and it seems to be strong enough without it. So we're moving forward. The screen goes black after a certain amount of time, but anyway, we're getting there. So we think we're going to put the horse in tonight. Is that correct? Okay. The horse and corral and the grill, we're going to try to get that in tonight too. So okay, so it looks like we're going to try to set the old grill in this thing, right? That's the plan. Peyton actually puff can these for the backside of the park lights because they were so nasty and we don't look bad on that the new Valance. Go ahead and see how that thing fits in there. Is this the time you've been waiting for this whole time? This is it?
I think we had some kind of drum roll.
Is the horse? Drum roll, please. Is that what you're thinking? Don't forget your nut down there. Your bolt in the bottom. You gotta probably lift up like this and put it at an angle to get them behind here. There we go. You know what we need to do first, I'll bet? We gotta drop these pieces in here, I think. Or get down there best you can. But before we put that bolt in, I think we gotta put these inside mouth pieces in. Oh yeah. Exciting stuff, huh? It's looking like a Mustang now. So, our bolts I put those bolts in there. That's why I not want to go down. Lift up for a second. Yep, you got her. Oh yeah, she's looking good. She's looking good. Right?
Yeah.
You got it dropped in there? Cool, huh? What? Oh yeah, she's coming around.
Sick.
What do you think, Dad?
I like it.
Looking good?
Oh yeah.
Big day. We're gonna have to trade the front of that hood out too. We'll try to get this, bang that out a little bit, get that to come up from the wreck in Oakland, California back in the day. Cool.
Put those front pieces on.
Yeah, so you gotta pick out the best pair we have. There's a couple over there. So you'll need 2 clips on each. And I think there's actually might be a clip that goes in the side.
Yeah, this one's got to come out. Come back off. Close the war. Got a heater in that?
Coming together. You guys are doing great. Proud of you guys. Is the clip on? Does it have to be spun around maybe?
Well, it came out.
Oh, gotcha. We got a little special guest here. We got Rocky from the Ham. He's over checking things out. Him and the old man probably gonna do some bullshitting. I'm just guessing. I'm guessing they will. She wants that horse.
Hey, where's your rallying pack? Come on.
You got one? We could use one.
Yeah, let me check.
Bring it on over.
Oh, it's somewhere.
You know what that is?
Well, she's looking good, right?
That's what the fog lights.
The rally pack is the tack and it's a dash gauge under the column, isn't it?
That's part of it. And the fog lights was another part of it. And there might have been something else.
I thought the rally pack was the gauge assembly.
It came, that was,
It'll suck it all the way up in there.
Not all GTs had a rally pack though, did they? Well, the grill is in. She's very excited. Ryan, look good?
Looks amazing.
It does look actually pretty good. For a car that's been hit, and we're just kind of piecing things back together with some swap meet stuff. Of course, the new Valance is new, but we'll do a little work on that hood, and it's looking great. So we appreciate you watching. We'll catch you next time with South Omaha Speed. Remember to tell your friends and neighbors, like and subscribe, and a notification bell, right? Do we have a bell? I don't know if we have a bell, but if there's a bell, ring the bell. Thank you.